Hey guys, Ricky Keys here, driving and blogging and talking about an issue that I just recently saw, something that I think you should be aware of. Recently, as a matter of fact, I think it was this week, Representative Maxine Waters out of California held a hearing in the Financial Services Committee. As you know, she is the chair of the Financial Services Committee. And the committee was specifically focused, or the hearing was specifically focused on addressing the issue of credit scores. And one of the biggest challenges that she was able to glean from the members on the committee, but also the executives who appeared before the committee, was that credit scores are not very friendly. And the way that people use credit scores, the way that you calculate credit scores, the confusion that is related to credit scores is something that is of significant importance, of great importance to people who are attempting to buy a home or to buy a car, to get insurance, anything that they're trying to do. Unfortunately, the credit rating agencies are not making it really easy for consumers to actually know how to improve their credit score. So if you file bankruptcy for bankruptcy, it will take you 7 years to actually expunge that from your credit score. There are other things that if you have an issue, if you're late on a payment, it doesn't matter if you get make it right, or if you actually pay that bill. It doesn't really matter, in the sense that you don't know how and or when that deficiency or that situation that's on your credit score will be addressed. So one of the biggest issues that Congresswoman Waters, or Chairman Waters, wanted to do was actually address this issue of credit scores and trying to make it more friendly and easier for consumers to understand what their credit score, what goes into their credit score, how to address errors on their credit score, and just to improve their credit score over time, because those three numbers are critically important to your ability to do almost anything today. People don't look at your history in terms of your experiences. They look at an algorithm that spits out a number that shows whether or not you have been quote unquote responsible or not. So it is really exciting that she did this hearing. This is one of the first hearings that she did of this Congress. And I think it's going to have a significant impact on consumers' abilities to address the issues on their credit score, ultimately having the ability to improve their credit score over a period of time, having the ability to afford a home, or to get a car, to get insurance, and other things. So this is exciting news. It seems as if elections have consequences, and this is something that you need to be aware of. There are two other things that I think are coming, and I think this was as a result of the Democrats taking control of Congress. Again, want to make sure this is not a political vlog. This is not something that's being said because I'm championing one side or the other, but it seems as if there's a greater level of consumer protection by the credit rating agencies, because I think they're more concerned about one party over another. But there are two things: the Ultra FICO and the Experian Boost. These are reforms or things that the credit agencies are now starting to take into consideration to help address or improve people's credit score. So, for example, both of these programs will look at your bank account to see whether you have been responsible in making payments using your bank account. So again, these are really phenomenal things, good news, ultimately ways that you will have to help to improve your credit score over a period of time. So these programs will take effect in the middle part of this year. So look forward to seeing how you can improve your credit score. With that, my name is Dr. Ricky Keys with Guidation, and I'll see you the next time.